actually do a lot more than people realize. They help clean up our mess, literally, by scavenging discarded food and keeping cities and towns a little cleaner. Without them, then animals could pile up, spreading diseases faster than and dogs aren't just
Wow!